Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, and you're watching T Cooks with Flav. Today I am about to do a redo. So if you guys remember last video, we wanted to do a crab leg edition. So we're about to attempt to do it again. So we're gonna go to Sam's to see if they have the crab legs. And we're gonna make it, but we're gonna actually eat it on Carl's channel. All right, so if it's your first time here and you need to catch up, that's fine. So scroll back to the other videos and then come back to this one. And also, if it's your first time here, welcome to the food, welcome to the fun, welcome to the good vibes, welcome to the motivation, welcome to just anything positive. You're gonna find it over here. So I'm gonna be filming with Carl again today. His Instagram is being Carl Anthony. So hop on over to his channel also, because you're gonna get to see the good up travel and all the things that he got going on over there. His dad life, his travel life, and yeah, just good vibes all around. So he's on his way to get me. I'm gonna take you guys to the grocery store with me. So if you want to make some crab legs, actually we're gonna be making some Alaskan crab. Yeah, Alaskan king crab, like a seafood boil. And I'll just show you guys all the ingredients that you're gonna need if you decide to go ahead and make some king crabs for yourself. And yeah, it's a pretty slow, chill day. I had a busy couple of days, and then I have a busy weekend coming up. So today was the day that we were both free, or like, you know what, let's just knock it out. So boom, let's go. You guys, we're back at it again. Look who there.
We'll try again.
We just pulled up at Sam's. So I'll check. Cause I really want to do this film. I really want to taste it. I really want to feel sorry.
No, like, I still heard from the last time. I swear to you, I care feelings. So I'm glad you make it up to me, my G. I nah lie to you.
Yeah, I want him to try the crab leg, man, because boy, after that video, the teaser when we did send him and then make your mouth water up and them something, and then we show up and there was no crab leg. I like this, never like that for you. So we're gonna attempt, but remember to see us eating it, it's gonna be on Carl's channel, which is on Being Carl Anthony. Y'all know it's gonna be in the description box below.
And so we're gonna prepare it
and yeah, we're gonna prepare it and eat it over on his channel. So for those of you who want to be a part of that life, you already know what to do. So let's run inside and see. I'm gonna show you the shopping part, and then everything else is gonna be over on the boss channels. In?
Right, listen.
All right. You wanna be home? It's for you too.
Yeah, man, big up.
Found it! We have business today. So if you're gonna make this, guys, you need the Alaskan. This.
Well,
Alaskan king crab, not the other one, not the golden, because the golden is a little bit smaller. These are like, look how big they are. So how much do you think of this you want?
Probably about 2 bags good.
2 bags good?
Yeah. Elastic and plastic, it my chef. I wanted them. Yeah, man, I ate one.
All right, so we got the crab legs. Now we got the crab legs at Sam's. So for those of you who wanna follow this video, any Sam's, I believe all Sam's probably have the same items, right? You think so?
Pretty much.
Yeah. So Sam's is where we got the crab legs from. Now we're gonna go to my local grocery store, which is called Broward Meat, to get some things, because I also have a catering tomorrow and Saturday, and I need to just get the things while I'm on the road. So but for the seafood boil, we're gonna pick up now some potatoes, corn, seafood boil, seasoning, and you like egg? You like boiled egg?
Yeah, man.
You want boiled egg in it?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think I have egg in the fridge. Do I? Maybe I get a tray of egg. I don't remember if I have egg.
It's expensive these days. That's try like.
Alright, so I have my
I'll
list.
fix it. We angle it, man.
Yeah, you gonna help me cook?
Yo, you gotta teach me a thing or for you see me? Teach me a thing or for you, so.
Can you just say two? Yo, say two. I'm gonna teach you a thing or two. Why you don't say two?
Because a few more learn, but no one learn.
Yo, I want to come pick me up, me a forward. Now I say come. Hey, I'm a father, you know. Yesterday I call my father. And he must say, what, like, same thing, like he didn't want to say
The actual word.
the word.
No,
We
yeah,
can't remember
that's
exactly what him saying, but like he wanna say. So when you're forward,
Nah, so that
him not say when you're gonna come. Why? I wanna know say two.
The yard man thing. You see.
That's for another conversation because me don't really understand what I'm going to do. But anyways, I'm gonna teach him a thing or a few.
Yeah, man, so we put on the apron, we're in the kitchen and...
I'm gonna have one apron and matching shirt.
Yeah?
One green one.
Yeah, man, do.
Alright, Chef Carl is on the way, guys.
Ready up.
Alright. Alright guys, so we are home and as you can see, we have everything here lined up. I have the lobster tail in the back. I'm not gonna show you guys anything else over here, but I want to see what's going on and I'm gonna jump
Run over.
because
The good things then.
we're gonna cook this. Well, me not do that, you know, but that's like the instructions. It's,
You can follow instructions, that's already.
you sure?
Sure, positive.
Alright, so we're gonna test that right now. So you okay?
What the long shot is, Mira?
Let's go.
I've been waiting for this day. Ready.
Alright, so over on to Private Anthony right now so you can, well, after the watch a video, yes, then you can see the mashed meat.
A few moments later.
Guys, as you can see, it's empty plates. Some people focus on their food. So if you want to see how the rest of this video went, you gotta jump over to Carl's channel because he put me in a hot seat. You talk about it, that was a hot seat?
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Survive.
I survived. So I'm gonna return the favor. I'm gonna put him back in the hot seat on my channel another day. But I'm not giving no warning. It's alright.
We don't get no warning.
No, man, I'll come with one long list of questions. What you did?
Are you nervous?
No, me as a G. I'm not nervous.
You angle it well, man.
I angle it like a G. That's the deliver for the go right then question then? I like that feel. But anyway guys, yes. We had a good time in the kitchen.
A great time.
Yes, it was
One
amazing.
for the books, yeah, man.
Some people after them eat, you gotta take a nap, you know? You know the word?
You feel so? You feel my ISIS?
Yeah.
But now I let you know because them say you can't come
You can't never go away.
Can't do that. Couldn't do that. You're mad.
Alright guys, it's a brand new day. Last night after I had that crab leg, that seafood boil, I literally knocked out. Lies. I did some prepping, then I knocked out. So I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was fun. It was different for me being on someone else's channel. It's been a while that I've been featured on someone's channel, and it's such a great platform. It's such a great channel. He has so much content. So I urge you to jump over there and just subscribe to Being Carl Anthony. He travels a lot, he's a dad, and he's just fun, as you can see. So go over there, show him some love, and of course don't forget to tell him who sent you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for subscribing. Thank you for just everything. Thank you guys just for being amazing. Thank you guys for putting up with me not posting all the time. I really appreciate that, and I'm doing better. You guys can say that. At least she's doing better. All right, so anyways, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll see whenever I post. Don't mind my jacked up nails. I look good, but my nails are busted, my toenails are busted. The girl's gonna get sought out. But right now I'm heading to a funeral service for my friend whose mom passed away, unfortunately. So I have a lot of food in the back, and that's where I'm actually heading right now. Okay, so just keep her in your prayers. Sonia, I love you, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.